Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do my video on how to get hard nails. I was filing my nails earlier, so they're a bit shorter than what I would have liked to have done in this video, but let me explain. So for like 4 years, I used to have super long nails and I cut them. And then, I don't know, for the life of me, I couldn't grow them back. And then when I was trying to grow them and I used like nail hardeners and nail polish and all of those products and nothing worked. So my nails were like very, very thin. If they'd grow long, they would break. And if you know how it is, ladies, when all your nails are a certain length and one breaks, they all end up breaking, but they were just not healthy. And for the longest time, they wouldn't grow. So I started, even I took vitamins, it didn't help. I was taking nail vitamins and stuff, and then I didn't know what to do. And then I started researching more. So one little thing that I've done, I know it may sound a little icky, but it's good, is if you take an onion, I like the red onions, and you cut them and you boil it and you drink the water like a tea, or it's like an onion soup. Like, it's not bad, it actually tastes pretty good. That helps because it helps your hair and your nails. And then I started taking vitamins, like a supplement. I was taking a hair, skin, and nail formula. So this is just any random brand. Like, this was on sale and I was able to take it, so I got it. And then this is the key ingredient, it's selenium. So I take 2 of these a day. Now, this is what I do. So to be sure, check with your doctor, check with your pharmacist, just to be sure, because this is my opinion and this is what I do. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just sharing what I do. My kitty cat wants to go outside. Chinch, baby, come. So, yeah, these 2 things are awesome. And then I also take zinc supplement. I take some other supplements, but those, I think, are the ones that help me with my nails. Now, the video is not amazing because my nails are, like I said, just, they're short, but just to let you know, they are super hard. Like, they are thick and they are hard. Why I kind of filed them down was yesterday I was grating cheese and I kind of grated this one. So as you know, if you have one shorter than the other, it's awkward, and then the other ones kind of break too. So I just kind of made them all the same length. I should have waited till my nails were longer, but seriously, it's like they're super strong and they don't chip. I haven't gotten any breakage just from taking that. It takes a couple of months, like anything, because it's got to work from inside out. Your nails have to grow, the weak part has to go away, and then the strong nails have to come in. So it does take time, but I'm telling you, they're hard. They're really, really hard. And I'm so happy. So they're finally back to where I want them, and now they're going to grow. And especially with, washing your hands all the time with COVID, it weakens our nails. So it's important to strengthen them. So like I said, the trick really is get a supplement that's good for hair and nails. And selenium, this is the key. And it doesn't really say, like, if you research this, it's not going to say it's good for nails, but it really is. It helps your hair and your nails. I forget, there's another supplement that they usually tell you to take if you want nails. It starts with an S. I can't think of it right now. And I remember taking it, I bought it and I was taking it. It didn't really help. And then by fluke, I don't know, I bought this and I tried it and it really works. So that's my little tip on that. It's my little trick. If you have, and I tell you, I've tried all those Sally Hansen products, like nail polishes, everything to harden the nails to help. Didn't do anything. So right now I don't put even nail polish on my nails. I want them to grow nice, and they're thick, and I wash my hands like crazy. So when you do that, the nails often get soft, so we have to harden them up. So anyways, that's my little tip on that. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. You give me thumbs up. I hope you watch my other videos, and I hope you subscribe. If you have any comments, let me know. I like to write back. If you have any tips that you can share that also are good, help others, let me know. So that's it for now. I'm gonna end my video here. And I just want to say thank you. And I want this to be positive. I want to have positive energy and help you women, because I really believe it's so important for us to support and help each other and be there. So if I have anything that I feel is good that helps me, I'm going to definitely make a video and let you guys know. So that's it. I'm really going to end it now. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm sending out lots of love and positivity. Thank you so much once again for watching. Bye.